Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Instagram and navigating straight to Profile. This gets you where the controls live. Tap the three-line menu, choose Settings, then Privacy, and finally Story so you can change who sees content. Do this now because the next steps alter visibility immediately. Once done, you'll see options like Hide Story from and Close Friends. These are the lever points you'll use to stop story views. Make sure to follow slowly so you don't miss a setting. Next, focus on restricting viewers and using close friends. This is the core execution. Tap Hide Story from and pick accounts you don't want to see stories. This immediately prevents their views. Then create or edit a close friends list and add only trusted people when you want private sharing. Once both are configured, use close friends for sensitive posts and default story for broader content. That dual approach gives you precise control over who can and cannot view each story. Finalize by posting a short test story and immediately check the viewer list to confirm the blocks and close friends worked. This proves your settings are active. If the wrong people still see stories, force close and clear the app cache or reinstall Instagram, because cached data can prevent new rules from applying. Make sure account syncing and linked accounts aren't re-enabling visibility, and if problems persist, revisit privacy settings. Adjusting the same options again usually fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.